Are we driving a long distance? If we're going to drive a short distance, if it's 50 miles or something like that, then bring the body side molding level. Stand right next to it at the front, right next to the front wheel, and mark the top of the body side molding on your waist. Then walk to the back. Stand between the two back wheels and look where the body molding is. For proper ride height, for distance running, the back should be 1.5 to 2 inches lower measurement at the top of the body molding than it was next to the front wheels. In other words, the back of the coach is going to be like this a little bit. That will give you a better caster and better straight ahead. If you're going a short distance and you're worried about speed bumps and swales, then put air in the coach until body is level or maybe even a little bit higher. Because what that does, it does this, and now you can turn tight in town. And the back is safe if you're going to hit any speed bumps or anything like that.